Welcome to the tutorial session of Visualize Outputs. Begin with clicking on DroneNaksha on AeroMegh dashboard. Here you will see all projects created. Select one project to proceed. Select a plan created under the project. Click on the image set to view all the images. Here you will see all the images. Click on View Map to visualize the broader view. Click on Inspection from the sidebar. Multiple blue pointers will appear, each showing an image. Click on any pointer to view the image. You can zoom in the viewed image. Below options are available to generate each data type. As you click on DSM, a digital surface model would be generated. You can zoom in to examine and inspect for actionable. As you click on DTM, a digital terrain model will appear. You can zoom in and inspect digitally. To obtain 3D model, click on 3D. 3 options will appear. As clicked on Points Cloud, a 3D model will appear. You can deep dive into inspect and also rotate accordingly to study. By clicking on Show Measurements, the measurements seen would be hidden. Click on Plant Health to obtain the algorithms. You can move and adjust the cursor to observe the plant health in that particular area. Click on the drag down, wherein you will see multiple options. We are here selecting NDVI. From the drag down, you can select filter type. Here we have selected RGBN. The applied filter can be seen. Thank you for watching DroneNaksha tutorial video.